Howdy, Possum Patty and Little Miss Titi here, and today we have a Beebeecraft unboxing. Come on along. And just taking a very quick look at the Beebeecraft homepage on their website, you can see they have a variety of products from jewelry, beads. This is all jewelry work, but they also have craft supplies, and they feature many different brands. Whoops, look at that. Crayspire's on here, Panda Hall Elite, and so you can click on the different brands or the different products that you want. I love their quality of their beads. So let's get right to the unboxing. The first item I have from Beebeecraft are these 2 strands of natural azurite stone. And I picked this one because I just love this blue color. Look at the blue on there. And with the gray and the little black specks, they just look so natural. And I didn't get the round ones, I got the faceted ones, so you can see the light reflecting on the different faces on the stones. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm not sure what I'm going to be making with these, but I will definitely come back with a process video. Love these, love these. And I have 2 big strands of them. Oh, they're just gorgeous. I love this blue color. And you know, the Native Americans use the azurite stone, the blue stone, as like a something to contact their spirit guides, to be open to receive messages from their spirit guides. And the Chinese actually used it as like the to open the gateway to celestial heavens. So, you know, I'm thinking blue sky, azure skies, azurite. I just love them. Love the energy from these stones. And here we have the Honey Handy Natural Stone Raindrop Azurite beads. And these are faceted. They're not round, they're faceted. And you get 2 strands for $10.49. But remember, there's always coupons and discount codes. Okay, I'm opening up the second item. Oops, sorry. Sorry for all the crinkling. Everything is so well wrapped. And in here I have amethyst pendants. And you know, amethyst is the birthstone for February, so this is my birthstone. And these are just gorgeous. Oh, I love these. These amethysts are... I get this open here. So you can see it without the little packaging. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see the amethyst there. Natural stone. Looks like little opals. I don't know if those are real or not. It's supposed to be real amethyst though. And then it's got this antique silver colored design on there. I love it. Just gorgeous. And I think like 10 of them come. I'll show you the web page so you can see these a little better. They're very rich, deep purple. My hand's probably not doing the best job there. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love the design on them. So I will be coming up with a project for these. And they are all the same design. And you get 10 of them. Let me show you some information about them on the website while I open up the third item. Now, all of the products that I got for the unboxing are by Honey Handy. And this one is a natural amethyst big pointed pendant with brass findings. As you can see here, you get 10 pieces for $19.39. 10 pieces for $20. So they are only $2 a piece, and they will make wonderful jewelry or dangles, anything like that. Just want to give you a close-up view of those. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last item are these adorable little bumblebee glass beads. I love them. Look at them. They are so cute. And just think, on a summer journal, have these little beads on there. So I will show you a little closer look on the web page. I just want to show you quickly on their website these little bees. They are the most adorable little things that I have seen. Love them, love them. And you get 5 in a package. And right now they are $3.79. And don't forget my discount coupon code, or click on the links below. Look at these little guys. Look, look, look. They are so adorable. And spring journaling's coming up, and spring crafting. So I'll be back with a few process videos on things that I plan to do with these items. I've got these gorgeous stones. I've got these awesome amethyst pendants. And I've got these adorable little glass beads. So if you are interested in any of these products, you can use those links below, because they will give me credit if you buy something that I have linked below. And also don't forget to use that discount coupon. So stay tuned for a few more videos with these products. Thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.